So this operator is the SW100, but the procedure to adjust the spring is very similar to the SW200 and the SW300 range. So on this door, for instance, it's internally mounted within offices and it's mainly used manually. So we rely on the spring force to close the door. So on that occasion, this is a fire door, there's a seal, and that's quite tight, and it prevents the door to shut, not meeting the fire regulations. So, first thing, you remove your stop, put it aside. Then there's a small potentiometer, SPTE, which stands for spring tension. Very easy, I like it. And then if you turn it clockwise, it will open your door, and you want to open your door to roughly 45 degrees halfway. I'm just going to move. That's it. Now it gives you access to the arm. Take your Allen key, undo slightly the arm so the teeth are detached. And then, if you want to add tension to the spring, you close the door and then retighten the arm. If you want to remove some tension, you open the door and reattach the arm. On that occasion, I'm going to leave it the way it is because I've already adjusted it. And that's it. Retighten the arm. Just be careful because the teeth sometimes, they tend to crush each other rather than going well in place. On that occasion, it went fine. Okay, so that's nice and tight. What you do, you turn the SPT potentiometer back to 0. Okay, close the door. And now you have adjusted your spring. You just need to learn the door to readjust all the forces. Press once on the button. That's it, and it should start the learning. Just one learning cycle, one opening, one closing. Take into account the forces, the weight of the door, the width. That's it, done. Nice and tight. Just a note that it comes out of the box pre-tension, which would suit most of the applications. It is not advised to adjust it too much, so if you over tension it, it could cause overheating of the motor and could damage the spring or even the motor. So yeah, very careful when you adjust it. Go really slightly on it, and that's it. Just a word of caution.